आता पळोवया गोंयांतल्यो हेर वाठारांतल्यो कांय घडामोडी.
ये कैसी करीने से दुनिया सजाई, ये बख्शिश ये रहमत ये मुश्किल कुशाई. अम्मा सल्ले अला सय्यदिना मुहम्मद वाला आले सय्यदिना मुहम्मद व बारिक वसल्लिम.
फिफाचो गोंयांतलो पयलो आर्टिफिशियल टर्फ ग्राउंड तयार जाला. खेळाक तो रोखडोच उक्तो जातलो. फुटबॉल सीझन सुरू जावपाचो आसा अशा वेळार ग्राउंड तयार जाल्ल्यान गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेक सूव जातले. डिसेंबराच्या सुरवातेक फिफा ह्या ग्राउंडाची पळोवणी करतले. 15 डिसेंबराक आर्टिफिशियल टर्फ ग्राउंडार उक्तावण मॅच घेवपाचो GFAचो विचार आसा.
फिफाचे सल्लागार ग्रीनफिल्ड्स कंपनीन 2012 वर्साच्या सुरवातेक आर्टिफिशियल टर्फ घालपाच्या कामाक सुरवात केल्ली. साबार उतार चढावा उपरांत हे काम निमणे पुराय जाले आनी बऱ्या दर्जाची फुटबॉल पीच ह्या ग्राउंडार घातल्या. GFAचो उत्तर गोंयचो उपाध्यक्ष लविनियो रिबेलोन हे विशीं प्रुडंटा कडेन उलोवप केलें.
We are proud to see that this dream coming through for Goa Football Association and for the Bardes football players and the fans in particular.
Now the turf is laid. What's the next step? When is the first match going to be played, and when can we see action happening over here?
I've spoken to the contractor, and Mr. Deepak has told me that they are going to send a FIFA delegate is coming on 2nd or 3rd to do the inspection of the ground, test report. They'll give the test report, and this test report will go back to FIFA, and by 7th their personnel is going to come back again, and they're going to hand it over to GFA. Proud moment.
How immediately can we see a match being taken place here after your meeting?
Tentatively by 15th. By 15th.
And now this ground is laid. It's relatively new for Goans, even the concept of artificial turf. What things you would like to tell the teams, even the intervillage teams who will probably be participating and playing on this ground?
This turf is a soft turf, and they will require more stamina, and also the equipment that they're going to use is going to be different from what they use on the grass court, because it's all plastic granules which is going to be different.
हे काम पुराय करपाक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांनी खूप वेळ घेतला, पूण हे काम 100% सारकें केलां अशें ग्रीनफिल्ड्स कंपनीक दिसता.
This 100% laid. He was very apprehensive of the rains because he required 10 clear days, and due to the conditions in Goa climate, and since now that the rains have stopped and he has laid, and he is happy that this turf will have a lifespan of about 7 years.
And while I enjoy taking the first kick on this artificially laid turf, it's a moment of pride, I think, and a moment of happiness, and quite a lot of relief for GFA and the football fans that finally the artificial turf is laid. As the executive committee members and the VP of North Goa just said, that teams and players will have to take care while they play on this surface now, because it's artificial in nature and studs could well spoil it, well, the aluminium studs at least. With video journalist Dinesh Karpe, this is sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from the Dulair ground.
अरुणाचल प्रदेशात जाल्ल्या 32व्या राष्ट्रीय ज्युनियर तायक्वांदो सर्तीत गोंयाक 3 पदकां फावो जाल्यांत. 1 भांगरा, 1 रुप्या आनी 1 कांशा पदक गोंयच्या टिमीक मेळ्ळा. तशेंच बेस्ट फायटींग टीम पुरस्कार गोंयाक फावो जालो. गोंय तायक्वांदो संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष म्हणटा, गोंयची तायक्वांदो टीम लुझोफोनिया गेम्सा खातीर तयार आसा.
The players have come from the 32nd National Junior Championship of Taekwondo held in Arunachal Pradesh. Goa team have bagged 1 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze medal. Besides, the team have also got the best fighting award. among the 31 participating states. We are with the gold medalist Dinku, who also represent Goa state in the senior national. Then we have Deepak, who also one of the very fine player selected at the national level in the sub-junior also. He has represented recently in the sub-junior where he got silver medal. We have Mr. Savana, who have got silver medal at the 32nd sub-junior national. And we are sure that this all the three players except Deepak are going to represent for the Lusophonia game. Dinku is also selected at the senior national championship at Arunachal, and we are confident that even the Lusophonia game, the taekwondo team from Goa is going to do well, excellently well.
तीन दिसांची रॉयल एनफिल्ड रायडर मेनिया वागातोर हिल ट्रपार निकतीच जाली. वेगवेगळे तरेच्यो मॉडिफायड रॉयल एनफिल्ड मोटरसायकली प्रदर्शनाक दवरिल्ल्यो. सुवातीचेर मोटरसायकलींची सर्तूय जाली. गोंयचे धरून भायल्या राज्यांतले बायकरूय रायडर मेनियाक आयिल्ले. रॉयल एनफिल्डाचे तरेतरेच्या मोटरसायकलींचो हो शो शूट केला आमचो बायकर कपिल मांडोळकारान. तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसात जाल्यार आमच्या prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट prudent गोवा वा facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराची तरंगात सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. यू आर वॉचिंग प्रुडंट.